Hi guys, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. Alright, so I just got the Sew What box for the month of April and I'm going to open it up. I have to give you guys a little warning. I have some duct tape on my hand and it's because I'm at the house where we're doing construction and I needed something to hold the band-aid on and I didn't have anything else. So duct tape is good for everything, including holding a band-aid on. Alright, so hello Sewers. Spring is finally sprung and I'm so excited to be able to celebrate spring with you in this box through the inclusion of some spring-inspired print fabrics. Okay, this month's notion, it includes the handy snap bracelet, ruler, and a set of 5 spool savers. These savers can keep your threads from unraveling. Let's see here. Now she does have a sewing video, bonus tutorial that can be made with the extra fabrics. If you watch her on Wednesdays at sewwhatbox.com/group, you can get to that. Now, are you ready? Look how pretty this box is. So here's that snap ruler. I love these. So you have a quick way to measure. They're also really good for wrapping around anything that's cylinder. So if you have stabilizer or interfacing, even just rolls of fabric, there you go. That's good for that. But this is, I like this because it has the actual measurements on there. Look how cute. All right, then here's our 5 little spool, what are these guys called? Handy spool savers. Okay, so these you wrap around your thread. Keeps everything contained so you don't have all those wild threads that keep unraveling. So I'm going to put those over here. Here are our extra fabrics for the month. These are fat quarters and look how pretty and springy they are. And then her ribbon always has this handmade stuff on there so you can cut it up and use as labels. So it's a multi-purpose. I like that. So let's look at these closer because I just need to. Look how pretty. Oh, I love that. And here's the other one. We've got gray. All right, so these 2 fat quarters are over here. All right, so now here's our project of the month. It is 2-minute prep time, 45-minute creation time. It's to get this cute little swing basket. What they send you, pre-cut fabrics, faux leather handles, video and written instructions, 110-yard thread spool, sewing pins, sewing machine needles. So what you need to bring is a sewing machine, iron, and scissors or thread snippers. So here's the instructions on that. But here again, here's our little pins with the sewing needle. You should always have a new needle with every new project, and that's cool that she helps you do that. This has a round bottom. Oh no, these are, all right, go back to this. This is a bowl. This is bigger than I thought it would be. That's the 2 sides. All right, let's do that. Here's our thread. Kind of an interesting choice of thread. But this looks like the fabric that goes around the base. Oh my goodness. Let's try this again. That's a pretty combination. And look, they coordinate with these. So I guess if you really like this, you could make more out of this and it'd be very similar. At least that's the way the colors are looking. This looks like it's probably the lining. Yep. So we've got, this piece is the same size as this piece, and this is the same size as the purple. And then here's our interfacing. So we have the 2 sides and the bottom. All right, now here are the handles. They are leather, faux leather. Look how cute. So they're gonna go right up against, on this side, against the gray. I'm really excited to see this one done. It looks super cute. All right, so I'll put information in the link below if you want to look into this box. She has subscriptions, and so based off of which subscription is the best one for you, it depends on the pricing that you get. You do get a better deal if you go with a longer subscription. But look at all the things that are in here. And the cool thing is you could sit down and start sewing. And that's the biggest plus of this whole thing, is it's a project ready to go. And I know her inspiration for doing these was to help people get past that part and into the actual sewing part so they can enjoy that part, if that made any sense. All right, guys, well, let me know what you think, and like and share, comment. Thanks, bye.